Hey, good evening. This is John, and here's Georgie, and I've been making some mugs for the Princeton Club. So these have their initials. I don't know if they're backwards when you look at them, but I just did a bunch of these, and they came out really nice. And so that's one of the things I do is I make mugs with logos. I did some for Just Coffee as well a number of years ago here in Madison. So we've been going to the Princeton Club for many years. And because we've been in missions, they've given us a free membership. And so I asked Ted, who's one of the owners, if I could make him some mugs. So we did. So what do you think about this, Georgie? Huh? So every mug starts with a piece of clay, and this piece of clay is about 1 pound. And I need to put some clay under it so it doesn't go wobbling around like it is. All right, there's the holes. So these bats I had made locally by a cabinet shop, and they work really nice. There we go. You're okay, buddy. So my wife has been out of town. It seems like all my videos blow up when she's out of town with my daughter visiting her sister in Rochester, New York. So I've had a little more time to work. And I want to thank all of you that made a donation on the GoFundMe for our Community Hope School for our archery team. And I think we've got enough money to send that team to Botswana to compete. So it's exciting. And one of the things I do when I do cups or logos is I smooth them off. So that's how you do a cup. And I want to cut it off.